The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Day Kansas, and welcome here to Salina, the brand new Stutzman's location, of course, with Ben. Ben, it's such a pleasure to be here today.
Thank you for coming. We refer to this as our superstore.
Yes.
Yeah, new location. We had been just up the street on 9th Street for about 15 years.
Wow.
And Kansas Wesleyan owned that property, so we needed to make a move as they were needing that property. And so we are at, like you said, Central Mall. Brand new location, brand new setup, and it has really been wonderful.
Yes.
A little bit larger.
Yeah.
And this store is our #1 volume store. And the staff does an amazing job, and you'll see that with displays and things like that.
Yeah, so we're at a new location, like we said, here at the Salina Central Mall. But one thing that's the same, a lot of things are the same, is that tent right there for people to recognize.
You know, when we talked about this, but we've had kids remind or refer to this as the flower circus.
Yes.
You know, we have fun with that. But no, it has worked out well. Salina has responded very well to this. And we're just excited about being in Salina. We do the Rescue Mission Project.
Yeah.
That was introductory to our location here this year. But, and our staff, Shirley has been our manager here for, oh my goodness, when I say 10, she's going to say, no, Ben, it's been 12 or 13 years.
Yeah.
But has been a very great group that have just done an amazing job for us here.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful here. You talk about it being your #1
Yes.
location here for a garden center. What makes this place so special? What makes it so different and stand out?
You know, it's I'm going to come back to our people.
Yes.
Our people just do an amazing job here. The community here has been wonderful, responded very well, and appreciative of what our team does. And you know, it's just a fun place to come in.
It is.
And you know, just like what we're standing here this morning with some of just the merchandising, the display, they just really make it so inviting. I refer to this spot where we're at right now. This is my garden.
I love it.
And I just love it here, really do.
Yeah, well, congratulations on the new spot. It's so gorgeous. Remind people where this location is and how they can find all of your other locations.
You can always go to stutzmans.com. Or if you have a question on something, go to questions@stutzmans.com, and that puts you directly in touch with Jason French, who does our Stutzmans Home and Garden Show, also broadcast here in Salina.
Yeah.
But just on South 9th Street here in Salina by Central Mall.
Yeah, people need to come check it out. It's the same thing, but just a little bit better right here.
Bigger and better, I
yeah,
guess you might say.
always, definitely. Ben,
Yes.
thank you so much for having
Thank
us
you.
today. Yeah, stop by your Stutzman's Garden Center this week or anytime throughout the summer. More of Good Day Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
It's been so wonderful to receive the much-needed rain and watch our landscapes flourish this spring. Hi, this is Ben Miller. On behalf of all of us at Stutzman's, I want to thank everyone who has shared our passion and the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Be sure to visit our garden centers, as each location will be featuring an in-store manager special of their choice. We'll see you at one of our 12 garden centers in central and western Kansas. Find us on Facebook and stutzmans.com. Happy savings.
At Stutzman's Greenhouse, everything's green.